Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock all of the CapCut Pro features for free. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut PC app, and if you want to get the Pro feature for free, first you need to make sure that you've already signed in. So I haven't, so I'm going to click on sign in here. You can sign in with TikTok, QR code, Facebook, or Google. I'm going to use my TikToks right here. So I'm going to log in to CapCut using TikTok. You can just authorize it if you already log in to your TikTok account on the browser. Okay, now tap on Open CapCut. So I've already signed in, and to easily get the Pro features, you can just invite your friends to use the CapCut PC. So just click on this invite friends, and you'll see this invite friends to get free Pro. So if you successfully invite your friends to the CapCut PC using your invite link, so for each friend that install and launches CapCut desktop from your invite link, you'll both get a 7-day free Pro. So not only you that get the benefits, but also your friends will get them, and they can enjoy Pro benefits on both CapCut mobile and desktop. And you can get up to 70 days of free Pro by inviting 10 friends. So you can invite as many as friends that you like, maximum 10 friends, but no credit card required and no auto renewal, so you don't need to worry. You can just click on this copy invite link and just send them to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.